crybaby. A person who cries or complains too much. Don't be a crybaby, it's just a small cut. The little boy was a crybaby when he didn't get his toy. Neat freak. A person who always wants everything very clean and tidy. My mom is a neat freak. She cleans every day. I'm a bit of a neat freak about my desk. Blame shifter. Someone who never takes the blame and puts it on others. He's a blame shifter at work. He is such a blame shifter. He never says sorry. Scatterbrained. Someone who forgets things easily. I can be scatterbrained when I'm tired. She's so scatterbrained she forgot her phone again. Gaslighter. Someone who makes others doubt themselves. A gaslighter makes you feel wrong. She left him because he was a gaslighter. Tightwad. A person who does not like to spend money. His friends laugh and call him a tightwad. People call him a tightwad because he hates spending. Newbie. A person who is new to something. I helped the newbie with his work. He's a newbie driver, so he drives slowly. Overachiever. A person who works very hard and does better than expected. He's an overachiever in school. Teachers like her because she's an overachiever. Veteran. A person with a lot of experience in something. He is a veteran in this company. He's a veteran teacher with many years of experience.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!